The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has ordered 4 additional Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport (MRTT) aircraft for the Royal Saudi Arabia Air Force (RSAF). The first of these aircraft will enter into conversion at the beginning of 2026. They will enter into service and join the RSAF in 2027 to carry out air-to-air refueling and transport missions. The contract also includes a logistics support package with spare parts, training services and service support for the new 4 aircraft. All the RSAF A330 MRTT are configured with hose and drogue pods, boom system and also refueling receptacle, which allows the A330 MRTT to be refueled from boom-equipped tankers. As part of this contract, Airbus signed in January 2024 an Industrial Participation (IP) agreement with GAMI, General Authority for Military Industries, for the development and growth of the industrial ecosystem in the region in support of Vision 2030, a Saudi government program that aims to diversify the country's economy. This agreement also includes the transfer of technology and know-how of the RSAF A330 MRTT to local companies. SAMS, the joint venture created between SAMI, Saudi Arabian Military Industries, and Airbus, will be the main vehicle for industrial localization. The Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport (MRTT) is a European aerial refueling and military transport aircraft based on the civilian Airbus A330. A total of 15 countries have placed firm orders for approximately 78 aircraft, of which 60 had been delivered by June 30, 2024. It is designed as a dual-role air-to-air refueling and transport aircraft. For air-to-air refueling missions, the A330 MRTT can be equipped with a combination of any of the following systems. The A330 MRTT is the most capable new generation tanker and transport aircraft with 90% market share outside the USA, with 82 orders from 15 countries in Europe, Asia, America, and Oceania.